welcome back to Cozy Vlogs. If you're new on this channel, my name is Kristin, or Christine, however you want to call me. And as the name of this channel suggests, we are doing a lot of cozy things on here. A lot of like seasonal things also, DIYs and cooking. And today we're gonna be making this super cute and beautiful shell wreath. It's a really cute and easy, like affordable summer DIY decor, and it would actually make as a great gift for a friend or loved one. And I had so much fun doing this, and I'm sure that you will too. So if you're interested, stay tuned and let's get into the video. For the shell wreath, you're gonna need a hot glue gun and hot glue sticks. I used at least 1 pack of hot glue sticks. Also this hemp or jute string and some shells or shell pieces. I used these iridescent ones that I got from my local garden center, really cute. And as a base, I used the styrofoam wreath that I also got at the garden center, but I think you can find them at any hobby shop. And also make sure to use LED lights if you're wanting to make it light up, so it won't get so hot. I started by wrapping this cream colored ribbon around the styrofoam wreath just to make the base look a little bit cuter, because from the back otherwise there would just be the styrofoam, and in case there would be like a little bit empty spaces between the shells, it wouldn't look so plain underneath. And I thought this came out really nice, but it's totally optional. And then I proceeded by gluing together this jute string and actually gluing it on the back of the styrofoam wreath so we could hang it later on. So now we can actually start gluing the shell pieces onto the wreath, and look at how cute and like beautiful iridescent they are. I love that so many of these are like really unique. That's why I actually chose these shell pieces instead of like regular like beach shells. But I think that would also be really cute if we use like beach shells. It would be a lot more beachy, I guess. But anyway, I love how it came out in the end with these shell pieces, and I'm so lucky I found them. Maybe you can find similar ones on Amazon, or definitely check your local garden center or hobby shop out. I'm sure they have something similar. I tried to fit the shells really close to one another so there would be as less space in between them as possible, so it would look kind of like a mosaic, I guess. And one thing I can give you a little tip on is that you should put curved shells actually in the inner rim of the ring, because there it can be really hard to like make nice fits with these shell pieces, and the curved ones are really helping to get it all close and nicely together. Also, in some parts I did stack them a little bit in the front just because I didn't want any spaces to pop out, and it made it look actually really cute and unique, but be careful not to use too many because otherwise it gets really heavy. And here's the wreath. It looks so pretty. I am literally obsessed with it. I think you could leave it just like that and gift it to somebody or hang it in your home. It would be such a cute decor piece like this already. But I do think that the LEDs add a special and really cozy touch to it, especially in the night or like evening time when you can light it up in your bathroom or in your home. It adds such a cozy vibe, and I'm literally obsessed with this decor piece because I have it hanging in my bathroom currently. And now I will show you how to add the LED lights. So for the LED lights, we start by gluing like the excess kind of electric cable onto the bottom part of the battery housing. And we use the hot glue gun for that as well. Then we flip it around so the bottom part would be on the base of the wreath, and we're gonna hot glue it onto there as well. Just make sure it's really like centered where you have the hanger, because otherwise the weight might like shift the wreath into a certain direction, because this part will be against the wall. And be sure not to cover the slits of the battery pack with the hot glue, because then you will not be able to change the batteries anymore. So be sure to only glue it at the base. Then I start by putting the LEDs kind of like in between the shell piece spaces and make them disappear. I did hot glue them in some points just to make it more secure, but you don't really have to. And in the end it will look something like this. Super cute, beachy and summery. I am literally obsessed with this decor piece, and it was so relaxing and fun to do. If you did it as well, if you got inspired by my video, please tag me on your creations. I would love to see them, and let me know how you like this video. And if you want to see more content like this, then please subscribe, give this video a like or leave a nice comment, and I hope to see you next time and welcome you back on my channel.